We have a large variety of facial treatment options. When we book your facial, you will be forwarded to our esthetician. She will be the one who will help you to determine which facial is the best one for you. We are mostly using Talgo products, which are organic and sea-based. So there are 3 kinds to it. We have silicium, hyaluronic, and collagen. Our esthetician will help you to select the best one for you. The lymphatic drainage machine helps to take the edema and bloating out of the body. It's a machine that puts pressure on the lymphatic nodules, and eventually by drinking a lot of water, you'll be taking the bloating and edema out. Micro Plus is a body shaping therapy. It makes the muscles perform passive gymnastics through electrotherapy. So if you have any sagging anywhere on your body, let's say your arms, belly or legs, it helps the body to be firmer and more toned. Venus Legacy is one of our body shaping therapies. Venus especially works with fat tissue. It works with radio frequency and heat. It basically helps to melt down the fat tissue underneath, and it helps the skin to produce collagen. Therefore, you have a tighter and smoother skin. It's most commonly used in cellulite issues. It can be applied on your neck, face, abdominal, legs, or even back.